Alrighty, we'll get this started with a quickie weather forecast here and then into the roads and all that, the rest of that kind of stuff. So, here we go.
Our heavy ice and snow event started yesterday for Groundhog Day. It appears Punxsutawney Phil was scared of his shadow for good reason. Flint, South Bend, and Lansing, all around a foot of snow. Good enough for a daily record. Detroit, Abilene, Texas, 1 inch of snow. That was good enough for a daily record. And our dynamic trough of low pressure continues its digging journey into the southeastern and south central United States. That bright white and blue shades are calibrated moisture in the water vapor loop there, and that's lining up at the surface with cold air. And this Neapolitan look this morning of the radar. Blue for snow, pink for that freezing rain, and green for that rain continues from Texas to New England along a very long stretching cold front that will continue to linger for the next 2.5 days. So we'll have anywhere from heavy rain, freezing rain accumulation, possibly very heavy at times for areas of the Ohio River Valley. And on the northern edge of that precipitation, we'll have moderate to heavy snow stretching from basically Texas all the way northeast to New England. If you're in any of those winter storm warnings in the pink, that dark purple shade ice storm warning, consider not traveling. The weather might not even let you. Also watching out for flooding rain in areas of the southeast United States. Could see 2 to 4 inches plus of rainfall today. Areas to the southeast and the deep south. On top of that, there is a risk of severe weather from New Orleans through areas like Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Marginal to slight risk of severe weather, meaning watching for potential for tornadic supercells, large hail, and damaging winds, along with that heavy rain and flash flooding threat today. 1 to 3 inches of snow possible in Dallas today. A line of a half a foot to a foot and a half of snow starts from areas of central Missouri. From Little Rock, Arkansas to Memphis, areas of Kentucky will be in for a quarter to a half inch of ice. Maybe some areas around an inch of ice accumulation. That is a lot, combined with gusty north winds. We could be in for widespread power outages that last for multiple days. Plan ahead for that the best you can. Heavy snow, half a foot to a foot and a half in northern areas of the northeast, watching for ice accumulation as well. Big difference in temperatures today.
Alrighty then. So, you definitely have a soup sandwich mix here across the central portion of the United States through, looks like, Saturday. So if you're going to be out there and about, be aware of that. Like you can miss it. Glad I'm not out on the road any longer. Right now up here in the Pacific Northwest, they've got chains advised on I-90 and US 12 going across White Pass, and required going across through Leavenworth up here by Wenatchee, going across US 2. And it looks like they're getting some crap here in Pendleton to almost Baker City there, Cabbage and Meacham area, the Blue Hills of Oregon. So expect slow going and probably having to go and put chains on that in that area. Doesn't look like there's much going on up here across I-90 in Montana, Wyoming. I had their page up. It was looking pretty good with the exception of between Laramie and Cheyenne. It was slicking spots with blowing snow and all that kind of crap. Not looking like you're catching much in the way of anything there on Donner Summit currently. It's clear and easy sailing there. But like I say, you get over here towards the center section of the country here from South Texas down the San Antonio area. Even slow spots there on I-10 all the way over to San Antonio and making it up through Dallas, Oklahoma City, St. Louis, Memphis. They're all catching the that winter blast. Looks like Chicago's looking halfway decent currently. But yeah, you're going to be catching it. They're slow going and slipping and sliding all the way across this big wide swath here. Everything's south of the line. Traffic's moving pretty good, but You get up out of that rain into the sleet and the snow and ice and all the rest of that kind of crap. It's slow going all the way up through Cleveland. I'm not sure why New York and Buffalo are, unless it really hasn't started coming down yet. I mean, it is, what, 8 o'clock here, or coming up on 8 o'clock, so it's coming up on 11 o'clock there. So you should be catching normal business traffic and stuff. But anyway, it's going to be ugly through the weekend, through Saturday and stuff. So that's what's going on with the roads. We'll go and pop over here to the weather radar. There we go. You can see not a whole lot going on up here in the northwest currently, where I'm at. Just now they got a little bit of snow there in the northern Cascades. As I zoom in here on Washington, there it is. That's up north of Everett. But yeah, they got the winter weather advisory here, and they're not showing much of any winter weather advisory or weather right now, so I'm not sure why other than the roads they haven't cleared up yet there in Oregon, why they would have been slow. They got a winter weather advisory for just south of Missoula. Another 2 to 5 inches remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening through 10 a.m. on Thursday. Wait a minute, this is Thursday. Okay, that's interesting. So, anyways, not much going on across Montana here. They got a winter weather advisory there as well. Remains in effect till 2 this afternoon. Wind chills as low as 35 below zero. Wind gusts up to 50 to 60 miles an hour, so blowing and drifting snow. And got the wind chill advisory across all of central and eastern Montana into North and South Dakota. Not much seeing much in the way of weather-wise there, other than the wind chill warnings and all that kind of crap. Wind chills as low as 50 below zero. Yeah, that'll get your attention, all right. So, you can see there's not much going on in the Chicago area, but going back off out of this, and you'll be able to see that nice long stretch. Like I say, stretching all the way from down by San Antonio, all the way up into Pennsylvania, across Ohio, and St. Louis is catching the northern edge of it there. But this is going to make your next few days, Thursday, today, Friday, and Saturday, real interesting for all you guys cruising across this area. And doesn't look like it's going to be able to avoid it by going either north or south of it, because when I had the traffic up here a couple of minutes ago, it was showing that there's even affecting down as south as I-10. So let's see now. Winter storm warning for this Toledo area remains in effect until 7 a.m. on Friday. Heavy snow occurring 6 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour. So yeah, you're going to have a really ugly glow of it the rest of the day and tomorrow and into Sunday, or I mean Saturday. So get up here, say upstate New York, 9 to 12 inches. Yeah. So you guys are going to have all kinds of fun out there. Excuse me. I don't have a high-tech board and stuff, so I don't have a cough button, so sorry about that. But you got a rain-snow mix for this morning. It will change to mainly snow in the afternoon. Like I say, that's for upstate New York. So yeah, you guys are going to have all kinds of fun this Thursday and through Friday into Saturday. They got a flood watch down there in Alabama from this front that's moving through. So anyway, we'll go and get over here to West Texas, over there by El Paso, and bring that up. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. So it's only got about another hour or so there. 1 to 3 inches with total snow accumulations of 8 to 12 inches in the mountain areas. 3 to 5 across the lowlands. Winds gusting to 20. That's southwest Texas and south central New Mexico. So anyway, and looks like LA area's got some high wind advisories going on there. 15 to 25, gusts to 45. Orange County inland areas, yep, until noon on Friday. So if you're light, going to be running in that area, be aware that you may get knocked around or blown over. So try to stay safe, out of the ditches, and off boneheaded truckers' YouTube page. Because you do something stupid, somebody may catch it, and you're going to end up being embarrassed with your whatever you end up doing splattered all over the internet. So anyway, alright, well, this is Greg and signing off for this first thing Thursday morning. If I hear anything else, I'll try to get post another one later on. Okay, have a safe one, and take it easy there, truckers. This is Greg signing off.